Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Rover affiliate program, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register with the Rover affiliate program, begin by visiting the Rover website. Scroll to the bottom of the home page. Look for the affiliates link in the footer. Click on the affiliates link. You will be redirected to the Rover affiliate program page. Here, read about the benefits of joining the program. Familiarize yourself with the commission structure. When ready, look for the Join Now or Sign Up button. Click on the button to start the registration process. You will be directed to the application form. Fill out the required personal information, such as your name and email address. Create a strong password for your account. Next, provide details about your website or platform. Include the URL where you will promote Rover. Mention how you promote products and your audience demographics. Review the terms and conditions carefully. Check the box to agree to the terms. After filling out the application, submit your information. Wait for a confirmation email from Rover. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. Once verified, log in to your Rover affiliate dashboard. Explore the dashboard to find promotional materials. Choose banners, links, or content that fits your platform. Copy your unique affiliate links. Start promoting Rover using those links in your content. Monitor your performance through the dashboard. Adjust your strategies based on your results. You're now ready to earn commissions through the Rover affiliate program. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.